सुनिए सुनिए, आप ऐसे हाथ हिला के बात नहीं कर सकते।
आप नहीं सुनना चाहते, नहीं सुनना चाहते, नहीं
थोड़ा और चिल्ला।
क्या विचित्र नहीं हो?
जाओ जाओ
जाओ जाओ जाओ।
अपने अपने गेम में जाओ।
हाथ नहीं लगाया मेरे, हमने हाथ लगाया आप लोग को, नहीं लगाया ना, हाथ नहीं लगाया।
We are controlling situation everywhere. And if you want, go verify the BPs. You want to verify the BPs?
We don't need you people.
You want to verify the BPs? Go, everybody verify the BP and Myanmar border.
This time, in this situation, no other village.
I will not do my job.
You people.
I should not do my job.
You people are illegal.
I am illegal.
Yes, go,
I am
go,
illegal.
go, go, go back.
You are illegal.
Go back.
I am illegal.
No need to arguing. No need to arguing. Go back. Go back. Go back. No need to arguing. No need to talk.
We have to go there and we have to ensure that peace prevails. And there is no fighting between Metis and Cookies there. We are not abandoning you. We are going there and to ensure there is no fighting there. We work on orders. If you do this and you don't let us move out, I will have to use force. If I protected you since so many months, you need to have faith in me. I've got your families out from Impal. I protected your people. I protected Metis also. In the beginning of the fighting, we protected Metis first. And Kangpopi people are good people. Like I said, Kangpopi is Nahoe Wale. Okay. So, no. So it's not about letting me go. I have to go. I'll force my way through.
Please don't leave us, you can.
Please.
So you are sending the force there and you won't come out?
I'm not going. I've got other people to go. And KPI is protected. Mothbung is protected. Company 5 protected. You should not get worried. Na? Kangchup protected. So Kangchup, Arautel, El Munlai protected.
Assam Rifles, don't leave us, you can. Assam Rifles. Assam Rifles. You Punit. Assam Rifles. Please stay with us.
Nobody should move out.
Bro. Listen to me. I'm the CEO. If my troops are moving out, as a CEO, I have to go there, na? If when I fought with Cookies, when I beat up Cookies the other day.
I don't see the need for the Assam Rifles to come to go there because we have enough security.
Yes, exactly, yes.
Security forces out there deployed out there in Assam.
We need you. Assam Rifles. We need you. Assam Rifles. We need you. So please don't leave us.
At this point of time, when our life is in danger,
What do I call auntie? I know, happy. Happy? Oh, Nahoe Wale. I'm not leaving them there.
You are moving with 15 people.
I will go with only 15.
No, we don't come one, there's 15 people.
What's your name?
No. Ni som lang ayaw sa team. We will come. Ni som lang ayaw.
Okay, I'll leave it 20. Like you are.
Ni ajito chin ke ho pisa wo, no ke ho happy say.
sino ang nikhat zong kita?
Kim Sang ay Jimmy You need to understand.
No one should know. Not even one.
Actually, they are.
And there are so many other forces that can go there. I mean, when the people need you, please don't leave us. That's
I
our request.
am not leaving you,
Not
yaar.
even a single man. We don't want any single man. For 1 day. Not even 1 day. We know that.
Kim,
of
I'm
course,
not
we
abandoning you.
understand,
I'm not
the
abandoning you
problem
guys.
there,
We have enough people. Rahul is here, yeah.
Rahul is fear of staying alone.
बोले भाई, उनको। Somto!
Assam Rifles! Assam Rifles! Assam Rifles! Assam Rifles! Assam Rifles!
I'm here only, bro. I'm not going anybody here.
See, one day in your absence, when we went to evacuate in second MR, what happened there? In your absence,
No, I was there. I left.
you were
15
there,
minutes.
but you left. During
I
the
left
absence,
15
something happened. When you came back, everything was sorted out.
I left 15 minutes early because your haiku. I was traveling with your haiku. So-
Yes, yes.
So please go home. Don't waste your time here. You are wasting your time. It's 2 o'clock at night. There's no point you guys doing agitation here.
We are not wasting our time here.
They don't want you to leave.
I am not leaving. I'm here only for you guys. Go home and sleep. Kids have school tomorrow. You guys have exams going on tomorrow. All these young girls. Don't you have exams? You have exams tomorrow? Huh? Why? You have exams in the college. You have B.Ed exams going on.
we're worried for the exam. We're like, we are worried for life.
Tomorrow Sunday. I don't even know tomorrow's Friday. I have lost count of days. I have lost count of.
Why don't you postpone your
Oh, shut up.
assignment, your duty?
Don't talk about that.
I mean, when everyone is
Please go home.
standing for that.
I've changed again. I've come back. I've not eaten dinner. Let me eat dinner. Yeah. Come on, guys. Go and sleep. We are here. Be rest assured, nothing will happen. Have faith in me. If I can save your families from Imphal, I'll look after you here also. Have faith in me. Please have faith in me. At the same time, be rest assured, there is no bias. We are Assam Rifles. Indian Army is unbiased to any community. We will look after both communities. The same way you guys don't attack the Metis when they were here, I expect the same from you right now. Please go home and sleep.